So if you're thinking of running Android apps on your Windows PC or a laptop, or ever thought of playing Android games like Call of Duty and PUBG Mobile on your PC, then this video is for you. Now Windows 10 natively doesn't support any of Android apps, but Windows 11 does. Not from Google Play Store, but from Amazon Store. However, some Android apps that you're looking for might not be available. In that case, you have to find an alternative solution, which we're going to do in this video. So let's start. Now we're going to do it using BlueStacks Player. It is kind of Android emulator or Android virtual machine, whatever you want to call it, that allows you to run Android apps and games. So to download BlueStacks, you need to open your web browser and head over to bluestacks.com. Now there are two options to download BlueStacks. You can choose any one between these two. I'm going for BlueStacks 5. After downloading, run the application and it will ask for administrator permission. So click yes and install now. Now the installation process will begin automatically, and make sure you have internet access because it is going to download some tools and packages. Once the installation is complete, it will start automatically. Now that you're booted into the system, there are two ways you can install the apps and games. First, using Google Play Store. For this, you need to sign in first. If you don't want to sign in, you can use Game Center. From here you can install any game you want to play. So if you're asking like, do I need a high-end PC or a laptop to run this emulator? The answer is no. You can run it on a PC like 6 or 7 years old as well. So as far as CPU concerned, you don't need a latest generation CPU. But I recommend at least 8 GB of RAM on your PC if you want to play games smoothly. So this is it. If you like this video, be sure to leave a comment and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.